going to teach you chapter number 9 of English grammar, that is personal pronouns. In this chapter, we will learn about the personal pronouns. Before starting personal pronouns, I would like to discuss about the pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun. When the noun is used again and again, to avoid the repetition of noun, we use the words which are called pronouns. Example: he, she, it, I, we, you, they, etc. Students, जब हम कभी कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, हमारी कन्वर्सेशन में जब again and again we have to discuss about a noun, at that time to avoid the repetition of the noun, we use the words which are called pronouns. Students, to know more about the pronouns, read the information about Tanya. Tanya is a dancer. Tanya dances very well. Tanya has a white dress. Tanya is very beautiful. The word Tanya is noun in it. Again, the noun is used. Tanya. Once again, the noun Tanya. Once again, noun Tanya is used. So the noun is used again and again in this information. Here in this information, you can see the noun Tanya is repeated again and again, which is really boring. And this is not the correct way to inform regarding one noun, and we should not repeat the noun again and again. Then what to do? Yes, here we have to use pronoun in the place of noun. Tanya is a girl. Which pronoun will be used for this girl? She. But when we are talking about a noun, first time we have to speak or write that noun. But next time we have to use the pronoun in the place of that same noun. Which pronoun will be used for her? Tanya is a girl, so the pronoun she will be used over here. So here I will write she. Again, Tanya has a white dress. What will be written? Tanya. She. Again here the noun is Tanya. We will write she. Now what will be the information? Read it. Information is Tanya is a dancer. She dances very well. She has a white dress. She is very beautiful. So the word she, this word is pronoun. You can see that word she, which is a pronoun, has been used in the place of noun because noun was repeated here again and again. To avoid the repetition of noun, I have used the word she, which is pronoun. Children, now you read the information about Rohit. Rohit is my friend. Rohit plays football. Rohit loves cycling. Rohit is my best friend. Which is the noun in it? Which noun you found in this information? Rohit. Noun is Rohit and it has been repeated again and again. Again it's boring to repeat the noun again and again. Then what we will use here? We have to use pronoun at the place of noun. First time the noun will be used. Next time we will use the pronoun in the place of noun. So what will be the information? Rohit is my friend. Rohit plays football. It will be removed and which pronoun will be used? Rohit is a boy. For boys, which pronoun is used? He. So I'll write here he. Next is Rohit loves cycling. Again, noun is Rohit. Here I will use he. In the next sentence also Rohit is written. Then which pronoun will be used here? I will write he. He pronoun will be used here. So I'll write he. Now you read the information. Rohit is my friend. He plays football. He loves cycling. He is my best friend. Which noun is used over here? He. Here I will tell you which of the pronouns are used for particular nouns. Students, here you can see which of the pronouns are used with the particular nouns. Here I have written singular and feminine. If the noun is singular and it is in feminine gender, which pronoun is used? We will use she. If the noun is singular but it's masculine gender, then we use he. If the noun is in plural form and it's feminine or masculine, for both we use they. If noun is plural and it's feminine or masculine, for both we use they. Children, it was about pronouns. Now we will discuss about the personal pronouns in the next video. Bye-bye.